You know, there's an old saying, when life gives you lemons, make some lemonade. Well, I guess we're making a lot of lemonades. So let's make some lemonades today. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. I just finished installing the windshield trim on this 2005 BMW Z4. So I drove it for a week, parked it somewhere else, and the weekend before Thanksgiving, this happened. And this is not just what happened, there's two more other cars that had the same accident, which was sideswiped while parked. So let's start with car number 11. So this is number 11. I haven't even introduced this vehicle to the channel yet, but someone already dented it. Looks like someone hit it with a bike handle or a scooter handle. I don't know if you can clearly see it on camera, but there is really a big dent on it. Actually, there's three dents. One over here, two, and three. After car number 11, here's the minivan. Now here's the damage of our 2006 Toyota Sienna. It was sideswiped and it was parked on the other side of the street. Now as you can see, it is dented inward and the paints were chipped. Here's a video of our neighbor who was able to capture the accident. Now even though it was on video, unfortunately we were not able to get the plate number, so there's really nothing we can do about it. And all this happened just after Helen had her first car accident. If I haven't posted that video yet, here's a snippet of the video.
Oh no! Bam!
And finally, this 2005 BMW Z4 was sideswiped just a block from here when it was parked on the curb. How unfortunate is that? Besides me needing a new fender, the ABS, TPMS, and brake lights are on. So something must have been damaged that we don't visually see right now. And so while I was moving the car to park here, the tires were actually rubbing underneath the fender. That means I have to fix this first before I can move it again. But wait, there's more. The headlight was pushed inward and popped out by the center area. So now I am worried that there's more structural damage underneath. The silver linings on this is that at least when the accidents occurred, the cars were parked on the curb and no one was seriously injured by the accidents. As much as I love my cars, these are repairable and rebuildable. And like I said, lemonades. So I will keep everyone updated on the repair of the damaged cars. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Jeff, and thank you for watching. Here's the damage on our 2006 Toyota Sienna. As you can see, it was scraped down on the side. Now my neighbor was able to capture the now my neighbor was able to capture the side swipe on their CCTV. Unfortunately, there's really nothing we can do about it because it wasn't able to capture the plate number. Here's the video. Now here's the damage of the 2006 Toyota Sienna. It was side swiped when it was parked across the street. Now here's the damage of our 2006 Toyota Sienna. It has The sad thing about this is I cannot do paint and body repairs. This is out of my league. I don't know if you can clearly see it on camera, but there is really a big dent on it. There's an old say, you know. Well, I guess well, I guess we're making a lot of lemonades. Look. Well, I guess testing. Hello. It's lemonade time. I just finished fixing the windshield trim on this trim. I just finished fixing the windshield trim. Ah, parked it somewhere else. Then this happened. This happened. The only silver line. As much as I love my cars, I know the cars were parked on the curb. At least they were just parked on the curb. No one was seriously injured. So no one was seriously injured. The cars were parked on the curb, and no one was seriously injured. The cars were parked on the curb, and and there were no serious accidents when it happened. The silver, they are repairable and rebuildable, and no one was seriously injured on the accidents. The silver. The silver lining on this is at least when the accident, as much as I love my cars, these are the cars.